Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you the Bondi Boost I got in the mail. So first off, I'm going to put some gloves on to get this thing out of the packaging because I don't trust anything anymore. Let's see. And the first thing, let's see. I ordered this from the company Bondi Boost. I guess they're in Australia. And let's see, this is the box it came in. Oh, here's what I paid for it. What did I pay for this? $67 or something. I'm gonna keep that in case I really hate it. But I doubt I'll really hate it. It looks like fun. Okay, they put a lot of paper. Great. Ah, here we go. It's upside down. Let me just put this box way over there. And this is what we got. We got the wave wand. And it's from Bondi Boost. It's a pretty big box. It looks nice. And right about now, let's see. I'm going to take this out. I think, what the heck? Oh, it's you just slide it. Okay, wait, let me show you. Oh, the directions are on the back, looks like. And slide it to open. Let's get that. Oh, this is what I liked about it. It's big. So we haven't really seen many waivers this big, and I think it's going to be cool. It also comes with a thermal, what do you call it? A thermal glove so you don't burn yourself, so it probably gets really, really hot. It has operating instructions in here, which I'm going to give a read to before we keep going. And this is it out of the packaging. I love a new tool. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks like it's as big as my cheeks. I mean, it's huge. So we'll see if these give really pretty waves or not. I'm going to spray everything with Lysol because that's what I do. I don't know why. I don't even think you need to do it, but why not? And then I'm gonna let it sit for 12 minutes because that's how long Lysol takes to work on germs. And that's it, and I'll be back and we'll try this out. Cool. Hey everyone, I'm back, and I just turned this on. You press the middle part and then you press up like that. They want you to get it to 210, which is not like what you hear. Some of these curling irons and stuff we know go way up there. So 210 doesn't sound too bad, which is good because my hair has been recovering, as everybody knows, because I've been taking my shakes and stuff. They want you to use like a heat protectant that they supply, but they didn't send a sample or anything, so I just grabbed this IGK Good Behavior. And this one I like because it's shiny and it dries fast, because I want to make sure that you have it dry. They keep stressing how you shouldn't do this wet and blah 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 blah. And this one just dries super fast. So I sprayed that on. IGK. I think IGK is kind of new, but I don't know for sure. They sent me stuff for this movie that I worked on with Ashley Green. So we used a lot of stuff and we seem to like it. And I'm just gonna try to protect it as best as I can because, like I said, my hair has been super delicate lately. I haven't even dried it with the hair dryer, so you know, that's how that goes. Maybe I should separate these two and do like a mini piece here. Okay. Is this hot? I just, you know, when I find out if it's hot. You can feel like an inch above it, it's hot, you know. Oh, this is what I hate. See these buttons here? They always go right where my hand is, and I always shut this off. So I should probably use that glove just to act like I'm safe and not burn myself. Do I use it on this hand though, or the other one? I don't even know. Well, probably this one, because I'm going to be grabbing the hair with it. So let's just do a little comb, like they said. Comb it. You have to spray it, and you have to wait for the spray to dry. And then let's see. 1, 2, 3. Is 3 enough? 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Dark hair. Oh, look, I got a little bump. This will show up way better on blonde hair, but I like it on dark hair too. I think that's a pretty much what I'm looking for, just like a soft wave. My hair has a wave to it already. I didn't straighten it first because, like I said, I don't want to do too much to it lately. And I also start really low. Maybe I should try some closer for you. Let's see. Let me just make sure this is nice. So yeah, I'm not really paying attention to whether or not I'm doing this backwards or forwards. I don't know if it makes a difference. Here, I'll turn it around and see. This is big. See how frayed my ends are? I'm just scared to put it on there, but I'll try it. Well, it didn't break off. I mean, maybe 210 is the magic number for heat. Can you see it at all? That just looks okay, I guess you could say. Let's see. Oh, I've managed to shut it off because of where the on-off switch is. Now, they want you to section it and stuff, which I totally recommend doing. I don't want to section it because I'm more freestyle. I'm a freestyle kind of gal on myself anyways. Let's see. I do like to comb after I spray and before I spray. And this IGK stuff is just like an oil. It's not even oil. It's like a dry oil. I'm going to start at the bottom, see if that makes a difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't even know how long I'm supposed to hold this here for, but ooh, that one looks pretty intact. Let's see. Why do I tip my head forward like that's going to make a difference? I don't know. It's probably like the mascara face. So this is a nice loose wave. I'm doing it right on top of my natural wave, which is kind of cool because sometimes you want your natural wave to look neater and like you did it on purpose. And I think it's doing that. It's kind of hard for you to tell because my hair is so dark. It looks like I might, see, my own natural is kind of not too bad, but it looks so messy and stuff that little things like this make a big difference. So I'm gonna try again here. I'm holding it for 10 seconds. A fast 10 seconds, not even a long one. Just because I want to see the wave, but I'm not in a hurry to burn my hair off. Although 210 isn't super high, I think that they have a winner with that number if they're getting curl out of it. This is, again, good behavior from IGK. I'm taking like handfuls because I know my hair and I just want these ends to look neater, and I like a little beachy. Ooh, that's a nice, that's burning the shit out of it, right? No, that's not a good sound. That really just comes from not waiting for the product to dry long enough. So after you spray, you have to wait a couple seconds anyway, or you'll get that noise. See where this is kind of like a frizzy bit? Well, it's probably a lot of frizzy bits, but just for just enough tame. I'm gonna try it on that. Let me wait a little bit longer here. I am digging this glove. I don't know why. It's hard. Well, did I miss a spot there? I'm doing this into the camera, so it's hard for me to tell what's going on. All right, let's just check this out in a real mirror. Oh, I see. I got a massive frizzy bit here. Look at this massive frizzy bit. Let's spray it with this, because this will detangle it too. I may not even want to apply heat. I think I might just, I don't know, I'll just try it just for the benefit of showing what happens when you Bondi Boost over a really frizzy bit that has a knot in it in product. Let's just Bondi Boost that knot. Camo. Okay, let's see here. Oh, we got some tame. Got some tame out of that. I would say that in general I like it. Look at how everything looks way more contained. Could probably do a little bit back here if I felt like moving on with it. But definitely a difference between my hair on natural waves and Bondi Boost waves. Yeah, I would totally recommend this. It is expensive, so maybe there's some competitors right now that have cheaper prices. I don't know, but and I like that it only went up to $2.10 because it's nice. Then you won't be like, oh, I gotta put it up to $4 or whatever and try it out. It'll go faster and stay longer. You know, this works pretty well. So yeah, I would totally recommend this. It was about $67 or something like that, which is kind of high, but maybe there's a competitor. I don't know. You have to go on Amazon. It's like a huge wave roller, a huge waver. Like it's way bigger than the TG one I have. So I don't know if TG has a copy of this yet, but you'll have to check it out. Okay, thanks for playing.